Hello everyone, welcome you all to the investment management class. I Dr. Nagesh Aituji, Associate Professor, Department of Management Sciences, Maharaja Institute of Technology, Mysore. Today we are doing Unit 5 in the investment management problems and the solutions on APT, that is Arbitrage Process Theory. So this is also one of the kind of theory developed by the financial management contributor. From this theory we can easily understand about the short term investment. So whenever we go for the short term investment, we will consider the arbitrage process theory. So we consider it for purchase and the sale of the security. Whenever the prices goes up or goes on increasing, that represent a positive movement towards the profitability. So there we can have maximum return. Okay, so on that time we used to go for selling the security, and whenever it vice versa we go for the purchase or a buying of the security. So we apply this arbitrage process theory, that is APT, most important in the point of your examination. So in the APT theory, so we apply the formula, that is return is equal to RF plus BJ high, that is into RF1 minus RF plus BJ2, that is R bar F2 minus RF plus BJ till BJK into RJK minus RF, where K is equal to number of factors affect on security return. So whatever factors affect on the security return, we consider that. Maybe it is inflation, deflation, GDP growth rate, whichever it may be. Next, second one, R bar F1, F2, Fj K, that is R bar Jk, that is equal to expected return to the factors. Whatever we have expected return to the particular factor, we consider that. So maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So till the n number we consider. Next, Bj1, Bj2, Bj3 or continuation till Bjk, we consider it as a sensitivity of an security to the factors 1, 2 till the end of the factor. So we consider the several factors for the investment. It is called as arbitrage process theory. So or else we can similar kind of formula we can consider, that is either this or that can be considered here. Okay. So same it is. So here Bj1 we have considered. So Bj1, Bj2, Bj3, Bj4 like that. Same thing here, beta 1, beta 2, beta 3, like that we have considered. You can take either any of the formula based on the problem given. So today I am going to do the question paper problem. So go through that. Question paper December 2012, 10 MBA scheme, question number 6B, second one. Go through that. I just read out. The risk-free return is 7% and expected return from market portfolio is 17%. The following are the beta coefficients of security X. Beta 1 is equal to beta coefficient in relation to market portfolio, this is 1.45. B2 is equal to beta coefficient in relation to GDP growth rate is 0.45. Beta 3, that is B3 is equal to beta coefficient in relation to inflation 0.30. And expected return due to GDP growth rate is 9% and due to inflation is 3%. Find the expected return from the security according to APT, that is arbitrage process theory. Okay, we have to take this, which carries 5 marks. Okay, yeah. Let us solve. So here we have to consider the risk-free return. Risk-free return they have only given in the problem, and beta also they have mentioned, beta 1, beta 2, beta 3 they have mentioned, and RM market return also they have given. So based on that we can go, and RJ is equal to security return or a security premium, you can take it, it is a security premium. RJ is equal to security premium. So based on the data given, you take it. RF is equal to how much here? We have 7% we have, isn't it? We have a 7%, and beta is equal to 1.45. So we have 1.45, and market return they only mention in the problem, that is 17%, 17 minus 7, RF is equal to 7. Okay. So then B2, that is beta 2 they only given is how much? 0.45. Then RGDP, return due to GDP growth rate, how much it is? It is 9. RF is 7, they only given Yeah, then B3, that is beta 3 is equal to how much? It is 0.30. Security premium, it is 3 and risk free rate of return is 7. Calculate. Take as usual 7. 17 minus 7, if you do, will get 10. 10 into 1.45, so we will get 14.5. Okay, plus 2 into 9 minus 7 means 2, 2 into 0.45, so we will get 0.9. Next 3 minus 7, if you do, will get minus 4, minus 4 into 0.30, you will get minus 1.2. Okay, you will get minus 1.2. This is plus into minus, you will get minus, yeah, it is minus 1.2. Okay, so then you take 7 plus 14.5 plus 0.9, so you will get 22.4. 22.4 minus 1.2 if you do, minus 1.2 if you do, you will get 21.2. You will get 21.2. So, 21.2 is the return. Percentage of return is 21.2%. This is how we solve the problem based on the data given. So, you have to remember the formula. Please remember the formula. Return is equal to RF plus beta 1 into RM minus RF plus beta 2 into R factors, whatever they have given, GDP, RGDP minus RF plus B3 is equal to security premium RJ minus RF, risk free rate of return. Okay. So, let us take a similar kind of problem, go through that. Suppose the riskless return is 5% and the market portfolio expected return RM is 11%. Assume further that beta coefficient for security are B1 1.3 in relation to market portfolio and B2 is 0.3 in relation to growth rate of GDP and B3 is 0.2 in relation to inflation. The expected growth rate in GDP is 8% and inflation is 3%. Determine the expected return of the security. They have mentioned. Okay, so you can take the same formula here, same formula you take. Okay, RF they only given how much it is 5%. Okay, and beta 1 is how much it is 1.3 into RM. Market return they have mentioned it is 11 and risk free return is 5 and beta 2 they have only given that is 0.3 into GDP factors they have mentioned it is 8 minus 5 plus beta 3 only they have given 0.2 and inflation, whatever we have inflation rate that is called as security premium. So, here R bar or R bar high you can take it, or you can take it RJ, or else you can also take it R bar I represent inflation. Okay. So, how much they have given? They have given 5, inflation rate is 5. Okay, this is the values they have mentioned. So, till this it is. Problem number 1 it is. So, you can take the second problem and the solution. Okay. Yeah. So, 5 plus 11 minus 5 you will get 6 into 1.3 you will get 7.8. Okay, you will get 7.8. Then 8 minus 5 you will get 3 into 0.3 you will get 0.9. Then 3 minus 5 you will get minus 2 into 0.2 if you do you will get minus 0.4, plus into minus, it's minus, you will get 0.4. Okay, then you do 5 plus 7.8 plus 0.9 minus 4. If you do, you will get 13.7. 13.7% is the 5 plus 7.8 plus 0.9 minus 0.4. You will get 13.3. You will get 13.3%. This is the answer we will get from the given data. So, these two problems are relating to arbitrage process regular method. Okay. Next, moving on to like a trial and error method in arbitrage process. They have not asked in the previous year question paper. So, this time they may ask you. So, I am going to do that. I just rub the board. I just go through that. Look at the problem. Mr. X has to decide on a portfolio. Portfolio R X Y Z. RI mean written is 44 for X, 35 for Y, 20 for Z. Okay, then beta 1. For X is 2.8, for Y is 1.4, for Z is 0.85. Then beta 2 for X is 1.7, for Y is 2.56 and for Z is 0.7. The new portfolio should consist equal amount of all three. Okay. So, based on this information you have to find out the that is lambda 2, lambda 1 and lambda 0. Okay. This is a trial and method. This is also called as missing figure, finding the missing figure. So, here we use the tool called lambda. So, lambda is one of the like statistical tool okay, will be used for finding the short term return, So, whenever you invest the money on the stock market in terms of purchase of equity shares or any kind of security. So, here we finding the like what return, the short term period return by taking into consideration of lambda. Okay. So, we will do it. So, here we go for like what analysis, APT analysis we go. So, first we have to consider this APT in terms of different steps. So, we have 5 steps here. So, first let me take the step number 1. Step 1 you take it. Okay. So, in the step 1, so we go with the like mean return. So, mean return, that is RI. Mean return is mean return, that is RI. So, we take this into lambda. This is the symbol of lambda. So, lambda naught plus lambda 1 into Bij, they have given in the problem, that is B1. You can take it as Bi1 plus lambda 2, that is Bi2. 2. Okay, or if you have continuation, you can take it. Only we have 3 x, y, z, and x includes Ri, beta 1 and beta 2. So, if you have 3, 4, 5, 6, you can consider that also. Okay, so we have x first. Okay, lambda naught we do not know, but we know beta of 1. Beta of 1 is how much? We have 2.8. So, lambda we do not have. So, you take the beta, lambda is as usual, beta 1 is 2.8, isn't it? Yeah, plus lambda 2 we do not know, but beta 2 we know how much is 1.7. Okay, this is called as equation 1. Next we have y. Lambda naught we know, we do not know. Lambda 1 we do not know. We know the beta is 1.4, lambda 2 and beta 2 is 2.56. This is called as equation 2. Same thing go for z. So, we have a returns here they have given, I will just take it here this side, mean return they have mentioned. So, mean return of x how much? I hope it is visible, x, y, z. Okay. So, mean return of x how much? We have 44, we have 44, we have 35 and we have 20. Okay. Then lambda naught we do not know, lambda 1 we do not know, but beta 1 for the third security, that the z security is 0. How much? 85. Lambda 2 we do not know, okay, but beta 2 we knew that. This is called equation 3. So, we have these 3 equations. So, first we have to consider these 3 equations. Fine. Next we go with step 2. Write down the step 1. Next moving on to step 2. In the step 2, we consider x minus y and y minus z. X minus y. We consider x minus y. So, x minus y is equal to lambda naught plus 2.8 beta lambda 1 plus second one, that is beta 2 is 1.7, lambda 2 is equal to 44. We go with LHS and RHS. Okay. So, then lambda naught plus the second one, whatever we have y, that is 1.4 lambda 1 plus 2.56 lambda 2 is equal to how much? 35 we have considered. Okay. So, you go with x minus y, do x minus y, how much will get? So, we have to minus this. Okay. So, as usual we will consider, so lambda naught will cancel the lambda naught in both the way. Okay. 2.8 minus 1.4, if you do, you will get how much? 1.4 lambda 1 plus 1.7 minus 2.56. If you do, you will get minus 0.86. Okay, that is called lambda 2 is equal to 44 minus 35, how much you will get? You will get 9. This is called equation 1. Equation 1, we have got it. This is called x minus y. In the same thing, you go for y minus z. Y minus z. So, y minus z is equal to, y is equal to, so we have lambda naught plus lambda 1 equal to 1.4 lambda 1 plus 2.56 lambda 2 is equal to 35. Z is equal to lambda naught we have 0.85 lambda 1 plus 0.7 lambda 2 is equal to how much? 20. Okay. So, we will cancel these two. Lambda naught will cancel, both the same. So, 1.4 minus 0.85, we have to minus it. So, we will get 0.55, 0.55 lambda 1 plus 2.56 minus 0.7, you will get 1.86. Okay, then 35 minus 20 if you do, you will get 15. Lambda 2 is equal to 15. Okay, so we will get 1.86 is equal to how much? That is, you will get 15. Okay, fine. This is called y minus the z. So, we have done step 1 and step 2. So, moving on to step 3. Moving on to step 3. Moving on to step 3. So, in the step 3, we will consider the first two equation. We will consider the first two equation and we carry forward. Okay, so, we got step 2 in that 1.4 lambda 1 minus 0.86 lambda 2 into 9, one equation we consider. Then second equation 0.55 lambda 1 plus 1.86 lambda 2 is equal to 15. So, both we do consider. Okay. So, let me consider that step 3 is equal to how much? 1.4 lambda 1 plus or minus. So, we have minus here. It is plus only, yeah. No, it is minus 0.86 lambda 2 is equal to 9. Okay. So, we have 9 here. Then again second one is 0.55 lambda 1 plus 1.86 lambda 2 is equal to 15. Okay. So, we have to cross multiply, we have to cross multiply So, we take 0.5 lambda 1 for the first equation. Okay. So, then later on we do what we do into 0.55. Okay. Then after that we will consider 1.44 equation 2. 1.44 equation 2. So, you go with the multiplication. So, 1.4 lambda 1 into 0.55 if you do. So, how much you will get? You will get 0.77 lambda 1, 0.77 lambda 1. Then later on 0.86 into 0.55 if you do, you will get 0.473 minus 0.473. Next 9 into 0.55, you will get 4.95. 4.95. Okay. This is the first one. Next, moving on to second one, 0.55 into 1.4 if you do. So, you will get 0.77 again lambda 1, then plus 1.86 into 1.4 if you do, will get 2.604, 2.604, that is equal to 1.4 into 15, you will get 21. Okay, 21. So, do minus of equation 1 with the second. Okay. So, minus if you do 0.77, 0.77 it is 0 only, then minus 0.473 plus 2.604 if you do. Okay. So, you will get minus 3.077, minus 3.077. Okay, 077 that is equal to 4.95 minus 21. So, we will get minus 16.05, minus 16.05. Okay. We will get that one, that is equation 1 and 2. If you club together, then the difference could be minus 3.077, that is equal to minus 16.05. Yeah, fine. So, then find out, based on this we can easily find out the lambda 2. So, let me find the lambda 2 based on this. So, lambda 2 is equal to this is called, yeah, we will cancel this, both the same. If you do this, we will get yeah, lambda 2 we have to write, we have not written here, please write down lambda 2, here also lambda 2. So, let me find out the lambda 2 is equal to, so what we will do here, we will divide this 16.05 divided by this one, that is 3.77, 3.077 if you do. So, how much you will get? You will get 5.216, 5.216. This is the value of lambda 2. Hope you understood. Next, moving on to step 4. In the step 4, we will find out lambda 1. I will just rub the board. So, moving on to step 4. In the step 4, we will find out the lambda 1. We will find out the lambda 1. So, there we will consider, that is 1.4, whatever we got it previous, 1.4 lambda 1 minus lambda 2 was 0.86. Okay, that is lambda 2, that is equal to 9 as per the second equation. Okay. So, then 1.4 lambda 1 we do not know minus 0.86 lambda 2 just we have found it. How much? That is 5.216 is equal to 9, isn't it? Yeah. So, 1.4 lambda 1 0.86 into 5.216, if you do, you will get 4.48576, approximately you can take it 4.486, okay, minus 4.486, that is equal to 9. Okay. So, then 1.4 lambda 1, if you do LHS and RHS, that is equal to 9, if you go this side. So, it could be plus 4.486, you will get it. Okay. So, later on we go for that is 1.4 lambda 1 plus 9 if you do. So, how much you will get? You will get 13.486, 13.486 approximately you can take it. Then lambda 1 is equal to 13.486 divided by 1.4, divided by 1.4, if you do, you will get 9.633, 9.633. This is called lambda 1. Hope you understood. Next, the last step. So, based on the given data, we have found the missing figure of lambda 2, lambda 1. Moving on to finding the lambda naught. We have not found the lambda naught. So, moving on to lambda naught. The last one, that is step 5. We will be finding the lambda naught. So, take the equation, the first equation, lambda naught plus how much we have, beta 2.8 lambda 1 plus 1.7 lambda 2 is equal to how much we have? We have 44. We have 44, that is x, equation 1 we have considered. So, lambda naught we do not know, 2.8 lambda 1 just we have found, that is 9.633 plus 1.7 lambda 2 also we have found, that is 5.216 is equal to 44. Okay. So, then lambda naught plus 2.8 into 9.633. If you do, you will get 26.9724, 26.9724 plus 1.7 into 5.216. If you do, you will get 8.8672, that is equal to how much we have 44. Okay, so lambda naught is equal to plus 26.972. If you do, you will get 35.8392, that is equal to that is equal to 44. Okay, so later on lambda naught is equal to LHS and RHS, it is equal to 44 minus 35.8392. Okay, minus 44, if you do, you will get 44 minus 35.8392. So lambda naught is equal to 8.1608. So we will get this value. Okay, this is how we are solving the problem on APT. This is all about problems on arbitrage process theory. Yes, we will meet you in the next class. Thank you so much.